It's been a bloody start to the week for residents of Ricketts Crescent in St. Andrew. This after a woman and her common-law husband were killed by gunmen Monday night. It's the first double murder for the St. Andrew South Police Division, which is currently under a state of public emergency. TVJ's Kelisha Williams was in the area today and now reports.
It's a scene that no one likes to see. Crime scene investigators on location, curious onlookers, soldiers on patrol. Behind the yellow tape, a family mourns following the killing of two of its own. The victims, 54-year-old Valerie Ellis and her common-law husband, 57-year-old Robert Gordon.
I'm really in pain right now. I swear I don't know how to explain. My mother was an innocent woman and I don't know why. They take my mother from me. That's all my officer right now. They take my mother from me.
When we arrived on the scene Tuesday morning, we were told residents heard gunshots around 10:30 Monday night and called the police. However, nothing was found.
I was not asleep. When I look out, I saw no one. And I saw, like, the hair kind of look cloudy, because I know the effect of when gunshot. But I didn't see nobody, I didn't hear nobody scream. I didn't hear, so I wonder. So I had a mixed feeling. I said, however, them boy loaded the clappers also. But it was so real, it was a gunshot. We didn't know what happened.
At about 7 Tuesday morning, a curious resident who had gone to the victim's shop to make a purchase stumbled on the bullet-riddled bodies.
She went inside because nobody likes to go in their house because the gentleman that died with her is not a very nice guy. It's a guy who love to cuss people. And nobody no want she and him in a no problem, so them just avoid him. But she persistent enough and say, anything this man, I go look home to my friend Valerie. And when she come, she saw the slippers, so she followed the trace of the slippers and only to see the bodies them on the ground.
How the victims were killed is even more alarming.
The face was down, the hands was styled like an executioner style, the guy's mouth was taped up. And his anti is behind him.
Right now, I'm at Ricketts Crescent, which is just off Chisholm Avenue in St. Andrew. The area is currently under a state of public emergency, and as you can see behind me is a security checkpoint, which is not too far from where Valerie Ellis and Robert Gordon were killed.
It's the first in history we have ever have or had such type of murder in this community.
Ricketts Crescent is the same community where 30-year-old Akeef Swell was killed by a mob after it was said that he splashed a pedestrian while driving after heavy rains in October. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.